Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use count method in Python. Right now I have a variable and this is the which is a string variable, and I'm going to count the O's in this variable. So let's do it. Make a new variable, place, or you can just use the print statement, and in the print statement we are going to use the variable name, which is place, and then use the dot operator, and here we are going to use the method count, and here I'm going to use the value which is O. We are going to find O in this uh, in this string. Okay, so just click on run. So there will be 3 O's, 1, 2 and 3. So in this way you can use count method in Python. If you want to do it on list, so I will show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.